Hi guys, sometimes the smallest things on the road can leave the biggest impact on your heart. Friends, when we walk through the streets of our city, we come across many things, but some sights truly touch the heart. This morning, as I was passing by, my eyes fell on a small rat lying on the road, but it was no longer alive. Maybe it was exhaustion from the night, hunger, or an accident. Whatever it was, its journey in life had come to an end. Most people would simply ignore such a scene and move on, but I thought to myself, this too was living creature once and it deserves respect. Leaving its body out in the open is not only heartless but can also become a source of diseases. That's why I decided to give it a proper burial. I already had a digging tool in my hand and I was wearing gloves to maintain hygiene. Since it was early morning and the light was dim, we carried a light to make the scene clear. I gently moved the rat to the side of the road so that it was safe from passing vehicles and could be clearly seen in the video. I spent a few moments near it and even took a couple of photos for the thumbnail so that this story could reach everyone. Then I placed it on a patch of bar ground by the roadside. I began digging a small grave, removing the soil carefully as if I were preparing a place for a friend when the hole was ready. I laid some leaves inside first so the earth would feel softer and cooler and then gently placed the rat in its final resting place. I added more leaves on top so that the soil would not directly touch its body, just like we do for humans. I then respectfully covered it with soil, smoothing it with my hands so the spot looked neat and peaceful. This was not just about burying a dead animal, it was about sending a message. Even the smallest of creatures deserves a dignified farewell. At the head of the grave, I placed a small plant twig so that over time this place could turn into a quiet little memorial. I stood there for a while, letting the soft breeze carry away the weight of the moment, the sound of leaves resulting and distant birds singing seemed to warp the place in a gentle peace. I thought about the days when life her was full of movement and how time quietly takes it all away. This was not just a place anymore, it had become a silent witness to the bond we shared, a reminder of the love and the life that once filled it. I took a deep breath, wishing I could turn back time even for just a moment to relive those warm, happy days. But memories are all we get to keep, and they are enough to carry in our hearts forever. Finally, I will make the grave. I waved goodbye just like you would to an old friend and silently prayed that wherever this little creature's spirit may be, it rest in peace. Then we gathered our tools and walked back toward the motorcycle. Friends, some might find this video strange because rats are often seen as symbols of filth and diseases. But the truth is, leaving a dead animal on the road can actually cause serious health problems. Giving it a respectful burial is not only the right thing to do morally, but it's also important for the safety of our environment and our health. If we all take care of such things around us, we can make our community cleaner, safer, and kinder for everyone. Thank you for watching my video.